Sugar Creek.
Here, babe.
And I'm loading up with some drinks. And we just brought a few poles. We brought our hooks. Gonna try to catch bluegill. I'm sure we'll catch a few smallies out of here. This is a beautiful place. It's called Sugar Creek. It's in Bella Vista. And it goes to Missouri. Goes all the way through the golf courses of Bella Vista. So we'll see how it works out. You gotta walk kind of slow. These fish will scatter you. Throw over there on the other side of that log and just like let it cruise down over the ways. There you go. Now just keep your line kind of tight. Just leave it like that. Pick it up a little bit. You hung? There you go. You'll notice that it will do that a lot. Are you hung now?
Yep.
There you are. So go up, walk up, there you go. So he gets hung up on those rocks. Pick up. There you go. Okay, you're gonna get hung
on the wall.
Yeah, don't do that. So, did you lose your worm? No? All right, come on in a little closer. Stop right there now. Throw it out there, towards the end there. I don't think there's anything in here. Little dead fish right there. I don't know what that is. If anybody knows what that is, I really don't. Huh. Pretty hungry. It's a weird looking fish. Almost like a little bowfin or something.
Or a mix between a crappie and something else.
I don't know. Kind of weird. Look at all those minnows. See them?
Oh, cool.
A ton of minnows. Now, that's a pretty deep hole right there.
You can't see the bottom.
No. You can't. And it's pretty deep all the way back. Huh?
It's kind of making a circle up here.
It's a deep hole. I think there's another deep hole over here. You can cast in there. You never know. Just throw it in there for the heck of it. You might catch something in there. Hey babe, here's a good hole right here. Hey babe, right here. There's got to be something in here. Guarantee there's more than something. Some things. Put your bucket up over here. We'll work on this for a while. Even right there is a good hole. But all that right through there is a good hole.
Getting you a worm?
I'm putting a worm on my jig. Trailing it. I know there's gonna get a bite in here or something.
So you're gonna use the ultralight?
Yeah, I'm gonna use my ultralight because and them little fish over there. Catch that hole and then see where they're at. Like right there to the left there. There's a hole there. The hole's all up through here. You can tell, man, this is a good spot. Oh, hands down. Hands down. We're about ready to hook into something. We might actually get, it's not going to be uncommon for you to get snagged up in this. So. Oh, got one.
Really?
Yeah, I had a hard hit. I don't think I got him. That was a good hit. A real good hit. That was probably a smallmouth. Did you get one?
I got one.
Oh, bluegill. Hey, not a bad one either, huh? Swallowed your hook, but story of your life.
I swear it is.
Now it's my turn to hook up. There, I got hit again. I knew I was going to get hit as soon as it hit the water. I knew I'd get hit, but I couldn't grab it because I'm gonna go with outworm and see if I still get hits. Somebody up there throwing rocks on the bridge. I'm gonna have to trail it with a worm. It's a pretty good little bluegill. It's not huge, but it's eatable. I mean, it's no different than what you were getting out there. Yeah. Woohoo!
Is that keepable?
Damn, I don't know. That's big. I mean, it's big for here. Pull your hook out. Been caught before, hasn't he? Huh?
I think so. Ooh, that's an old.
That's what I'm saying. He's been caught before. Pull your hook around.
Man.
No, you got it pulling the wrong way. You grab his mouth. He's a tiny little guy. Huh. Yeah, you can go back home, make some bigger fish. He's been caught. Somebody busted him in. Want to hold him and release him?
Yeah, I'm gonna hold him.
That little sucker jumped out of the water twice. And that's how I know the one yesterday that I hooked. You know what I'm saying? Nice, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Let's release him. Make bigger smallies. By the woo, man, he moved it, didn't he? We've hooked some decent soft perch. Did you get one? Oh wow, look at the colors on that thing. Look at that pumpkin seed. Look at the colors on that. Golly, that's a big pumpkin seed. I mean, it's pretty good sized. We'll let him go back. Look at the brilliant colors on that. So what we're doing is we're casting right up on this rock edge, or at least trying to. And right as soon as we cast, we'll get hit usually. See, I just got, oh, that was a good hit. That was a real good hit. I don't know if that was a bluegill. It definitely was big. So it might have been a smallie. We eat these little guys, believe it or not. There is some that we'll throw back. Probably I'll swap out, put a different jig on it, to be honest. Right now, oh, here we go, baby. Fish on.
Is it on? Fish on. Looky. Woohoo. Oh, he got another. I think that's a smallie. That's huge.
What is it?
I don't know.
That's a hybrid. Oh, it's a, you know what that is? It's a rock bass.
Is there a limit on those things?
Yeah.
And so,
Makes sense, I guess, because
is that keepable or?
oh yeah.
I didn't know if it was keepable or not. That is an awesome looking fish. Look at its
Look at
red
that.
eyes.
Yeah.
That is pretty. I got a mess. Look. Ooh, big mess.
Huh? That's cool, man.
So, have you ever caught a rock bass?
Oh yeah. Are you gonna hold it? You want me to? Yeah, it makes sense because I'm casting on the edge of those rocks right there. Been a while since I caught one of those. Yeah. You only catch them in the creeks over here. Just a rock bass, like a little, I don't know the name. I don't know if it's goggle eye.
I think I need to put one on. I've been fishing with the
And you
last.
can have my half of a worm.
I can have your extra.
Yeah.
I don't need a whole lot. Mine's just not very enticing anymore.
That's cool, man. So like I said, this is Sugar Creek. Guess we're gonna have to quit. Huh?
Ah,
Then we're gonna have to quit.
You're gonna have to quit?
We are.
Why? Why?
Huh?
I wanna quit.
I want to catch a couple of catfish out of this place because I know they're in here. Just gotta find deeper holes. Man, when you look at the weather today, it was like saying it wasn't going to do anything till later.
Got you.
Get one.
I got you. Ooh, you are a fighter.
Oh yeah, good perch. Look at that. Woohoo! Is that a red ear?
No,
Are you sure?
I don't know.
That is a red ear. Yep, that's a shell cracker. Golly, she's a shell cracker machine, dude.
Not a red ear though.
Yeah, it's still a red ear.
It's huge.
Yeah, it's a red ear, man. Trust me. Yeah, it's got a little bit of a tint to it there. Yep, that's a shell cracker. Freaking nice one. Real nice one, Fryer.
Pull it up. As soon as I saw it, I was like, I gotta get it on the bank.
Yeah, you slammed it to the bank.
Well, I mean, it was either that or take a chance of losing it. I wasn't gonna take the chance of losing it.
I get it. That's some. Oh, I got a fish on there.
You got a what?
Fish, man. A fish got me hung.
Huh.
Look at that.
That is awesome.
Little perch. Going in the bucket, perch. I know.
Woohoo.
I feel it coming. Couple good raindrops on its way. I just don't want to, you know, get a bunch of. I just hooked something. One of those pretty.
Sun perch.
Nah, the pumpkin seed. I'm using an ultralight, 4-pound test. Right before the storm hits, man. Woohoo! I'm thinking we might get lucky because if you look, the black clouds are kind of over there, huh?
Looks like it's gone around us.
Well, the black clouds, yeah, it's kind of going to the east of us. I don't know about that fishing.
Sorry.
What is that? Your second smallie?
Second smallie.
Little bitty smallie, that's for sure. They fight good though, don't they?
Yeah, they do.
Release him.
Pretty.
The other one was about twice that size. Got a bluegill, huh? That's a decent little bluegill. So that one's bucket.
I just saw it's a fish that long. Right there on that little front.
Yeah.
It was after those little
What was that?
shiny things. The little shiny fish.
Oh, it was going after those. I'm
Minnows.
sure it's a freaking
Looked
smallie.
like a catnip fish.
Could be. Could be a catfish in there. Wouldn't doubt it one bit. Probably not like the only one, but